Howrah Rajdhani. I, as middle-class Indian, am blessed with many typical Indian characteristics. No hard feeling bro, my other Indian brothers and sisters, if you do not agree, I fully agree to that. But being an Indian, I have right to classify my own atypical characteristics as Indian. My first characteristic is be cautious. I confirm everything at least 3 to 4 times whatsoever the case to be. Let a simple case of locking the main door when I, with family, started for a trip, to attend a family function, as we middle class rarely waste our valuable earnings for exotic vacations, leaving our so-called valuables in soon to be temporarily deserted house on mercy of a 7-lever Godrej lock. Firstly, I pulled the poor rusted lock multiple times after locking the door to stress test reliability of the lock, then looked back just after taking 4-5 steps before lock goes out of our sight to again cross-verify whether lock was still there, and the most irritating one, was asked again by wife in auto rickshaw when nearing railway station, "Did you lock the door properly?" Until we reached railway station, everyone tried utmost effort to badly entangle my cautious mind further with layers of confusion. Have you taken the tickets? Did you switch off fans and lights? Papa, did you inform my class teacher? Count the bags, it must be 7 including 2 children, 5 bags are minimum count of bags we travel with, light journey is always better, 2 suitcases, 1 big bag as eatery, even in Rajdhani Express, in which railway ministry provides food and beverages, not free, price included in tickets, 1 bag for both kids, they are still small, and 1 with all remaining valuables, the purse of the lady of house. My cautious characteristic was still dominating when we reached Mughal Sarai railway station at 11:45 p.m, total 1 hour 15 minutes before scheduled departure of Howrah Rajdhani Express. But it was totally acceptable, better early than never. I was busy in counting our bags and kids while taking help of coolie to carry our luggage to board in our reserved 3-tier AC compartment. Suddenly I could clearly see my second characteristic, doubt everyone, started going hand to hand with the first one. I took out the ticket to verify train number and timing, and kept doubting knowledge of coolie who, as per generally accepted Indian principles, seemingly knows more than the sophisticated computer system and the babas sitting at inquiry window. I looked at every computerized and manual display, demonstrating my cognizance to my wife and kids, and finally declared when the coolie turned to step down on platform number 3, on platform number 3 at 1 o'clock HRS. Train arrived at right time. Until now I had not paid to coolie, my second characteristics. You never know these coolies, they will disappear once they get money, leaving you helpless on the crowded platform with 7 big bags including 2 sleeping children. We pushed everyone to locate, to be precise, capture, our already reserved berths. Third characteristic, woke up in late midnight, always be in hurry. The train was still standing. I already checked with many co-passengers, it was Howrah Rajdhani. My brother-in-law had warned me that there would be many Rajdhanis going at the same time. Within less than 3 minutes, we locked our bags with railway's chain, brought bed sheets and blankets after a small fight with coach attendant who was asking us to wait for few minutes, changed our clothes including those of our already sleeping children to sleeping dress, and lied down on our berths covering us with Indian Railways typical blankets. Suddenly a Pehalwan, wrestler, looking person with his wife and 10 big bags including 2 children entered in our section and shouted, "This is my berth, get down." I was intimidated by his physique and voice but still gave him free suggestion. My fourth characteristic, in imperceptibly protesting voice, "Bhai Sahib, respected brother, it is my seat, please check your ticket again. Many Rajdhanis go at this time, my brother-in-law told me already, it is Howrah Rajdhani." I could not complete, he dragged me down from my upper seat. My wife could not protect me from falling, all 4 kids were fully awake and frightened, to be honest, not more than I was, and started crying loudly in chorus. Suddenly God sent my savior, ticket checker. He checked our tickets and addressed to me, vindicating the Pehalwan-looking person. "Sir, your ticket was for yesterday's Howrah Rajdhani, see November 3rd, 1 o'clock am. I put forth my argument, my fifth characteristic, today is November 3. No, after midnight date changed, it is November 4. 1 am. Now train may start anytime, please get down quickly, hurry up. This was no problem. My already awakened third characteristic, always be in hurry, first time in my life helped me to get down with my light luggage and also with family safely. Train was almost running when I jumped out of it. My wife, I told you many times, check the tickets, but you never listened. But I was busy in counting my luggage, 5, 6, the purse 7. Complete. Thank God. End.